Hey guys, Jared here again, aka The Laughing Man, back again with the car hauler project. So we're going to go ahead and take a break from the electric jack on the front. The hole up front, or the lower hole, was too small, so I have to go buy a tool to cut that out. So we're just going to go ahead and keep moving to this next part, which is these E-tracks. So we're going to go ahead and put 4 of these big long ones on from front to back. And then we're also going to put 4 of these smaller ones, so we'll be able to haul anything from motorcycles to cars, ATVs, you name it. We should be able to just hook it on here. So bought these little attachments that just come with the D-rings. Then we also got the over-the-wheel tow straps. So we'll go ahead and get those, some pinions. My kids were in here. But to put it all on here, I'm actually going to go ahead and be using, these are the GRK T25 bits. These are the Power Pro weather seal exterior. They're self-tapping, so they should go through metal, so if we hit the frame underneath, it should still go through it. So I went ahead and bought a bunch of those. I didn't go with the super long ones, so I didn't want to just punch all the way through, but I'm going to try to hit as many of these as possible, because this is a wood frame, or a wood bed over a metal frame, so I just want to try to get every single hole filled on these. And then here's one of the earrings. So all you do is you just lift up on this, push down, and it comes out. Something put in, right down. So I've heard people complain that these don't work as well on the Harbor Freight version, which that's what we have here. Oh man, I mean, wow. But we'll make any kind of modifications that we need to make in the future. So without further ado, let's go ahead and what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and put the first one up front, the last one in the back, get them fully situated. Then I'm going to go ahead and measure it out from front to back, break that up into quarters so that we can find out where we want to put the remainders to, and we'll call it a day. Alright guys, so my battery died on me there, but I went ahead and attached the bottom, or the top one here, the back one there. I've only got 2 screws in that one and like 4 screws in that one for right now. Actually, look through the camera. Yeah. So they're not fully attached, but my batteries are overheating on my drill. It's like 90 something degrees out right now. So we're going to go ahead and call it a day, go get food for the family. Oh god. But as you can tell, these are all the Harbor Freight ones, and some people were saying that these didn't work. They work just fine on my trailer. So now with this, I'll be able to adjust for any length of car for the wheels. So I'll just put that on there, and then attach those wheel straps on it, and it'll be good to go. So one thing I did note, not with the E-tracks. The E-tracks are actually great, but these screws right here, they bite well into the wood and the metal. However, let me get to it. So unfortunately, the heads on this, even the bit that it comes with, and these ones that were sold next to it, they have a hard time gripping on, so when it starts to bite into it, you'll get ever so much little wobble, and it just kicks it out. Not the biggest problem in the world, but it's kind of annoying after your 30th one. So, like I said, with these E-tracks though, I'll be able to just take it anywhere, and then I've got this big strap. Just hard to one-handed. That'll just hook onto it. and call it a day. And of course, they make all sorts of different attachments. So, but we'll hit this project back up probably tomorrow afternoon when I get off work. All in all, I really like how they look. I like the stand that we put on the trailer. And after I get the tool, we'll go ahead and get the new jack on the front there. So, thanks again, everybody. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, comment. We've got more projects with this. I've got the truck over there that we're going to be doing a bunch of stuff to. Mainly the headlights because they look hideous, and the body's all scratched up. So just look forward to a lot more content coming out here. And thanks again, guys. Bye.